We'll guide you through how to print multiple PDF pages on one page using Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF file I want to do this with. So this PDF has multiple pages, and I want to go and have these multiple pages printed out on one page. You may have multiple pages in the document like this here, or you may want to go and have one page repeated multiple times on one page printed out. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. You can go and open this up in Adobe Acrobat. That's what we're using. So you can go and open it up using this. This is the Adobe app. Now what you can do is go and press print in the top right, or you can go and press Control P, the shortcut. At the top, go and choose your printer. Now what you need to do is come down here and you need to go and select multiple. Here you can go and choose pages per sheet. At the moment it's set to custom. You can set it to 2 and it'll then go and be in this format. You can go and change it to 4 as well, and you go and get the idea. So you can go and choose the number you want. It goes more. You can select custom at the bottom as well. When you're ready, you can press print, but alternatively, you can go and print out the same page multiple times by pressing pages at the top, and you can then go and type in the number. So I could do page 2 multiple times by doing 2, 2, and then I'll just go and click on multiple, and you'll then go and see it will repeat that. I could go and set it to 4, and if I go and then type it in some more times like so, I'll select multiple again, it'll reload it, and I could then go and print it out like so.